Guys, I'm back. I'm Kumikero. Ayun, nandito na po kami sa Tayabas City. Puntahan namin muna yung farm. Long way natin. This way. Okay, let's go. Hello guys. We're going to farm. Gala time ulit. May update ko kayo pag ganda na kami sa Rock Integrated Dragon Fruit Farm by paring Rex Calusin. Ito na yung kubo. Ang ganda ng buhay sa probinsya. So yun, Karan. So second time around ko na rito sa Dragon Fruit Farm ni parang Rex. May harvesting na. Yes, let's go. It's time to harvest mga Kumikero. Wow, ganda. Yes, harvesting time. Dragon Fruit Farm. Harvest time, guys. It's harvest time. 1-0. Init lang, kaya hubad kami rito. Let's go. Dragon fruits. Let's go.
Picture ito.
Spicy.
Quality rin.
Sarap. In Rock Integrated Dragon Fruit Farm.